In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track a pin into a shot using DriveX from Coremelt. With this standard drone shot already on my timeline, I'm heading to the Effects tab to the C2 DriveX category of effects, finding Track 3D Pin and dragging it onto my clip. Now, this area that I want to track in the shot is visible throughout the clip, so it's not going to be difficult. I'm going to use this tool and drag a quick circle over the area in the clip that I want to track. I'm now going to press this button to track forward, and it won't take very long. In general, a simple track like this should go pretty well, and the entire area I've enclosed with the circle is pretty consistent and it's moving in the same plane. Now, if you were to also select this area behind it, which moves in a different plane, then that might not work so well. Scrubbing backwards and forwards though, this looks totally fine. You can change the appearance of the pin in a number of ways. Firstly is to activate Scale, meaning that the pin will change size as it gets closer to the camera or as the tracked area gets larger, and you can see there the difference with Scale activated. You can also change manually the size of the head or the diameter of the head, as well as the width of the pin. And note that you get more control if you drag directly on the numbers rather than using the slider. You can change the height of the pin and the color of the pin. A right click on that color box gets you that quick color picker. And you can even switch to a drawing pin rather than a round pin head. Probably most important is to change the angle of the pin, and you can rotate around X or Y or Z to put the pin at a different angle. But I think pointing straight up is good, and I might just adjust the height and the rotation a little bit to make it look how I want. An important factor for this shot is that the lighting is from the right top corner, and I want to drag the light X, Y, and then also light Z to make sure that the light source is fairly close in terms of mimicking where the light is coming from in the shot. I can rotate the shadow around as well, and also turn the opacity of the shadow down to match the other shadows, and soften the shadow as well. Using these controls, you can get pretty close analog to other shadows in the scene, or simply get the effect that you're looking for. By applying two instances of the Track 3D Pin effect, you can have multiple pins in the same shot. And if you wish, you can animate any of these properties using the standard keyframing controls. Because DriveX also allows you to track 3D text, you can add a pin and text to a shot. DriveX is available now from Coremelt.com, and there's a free trial available too. Thanks for watching.